One thing that became very automatic for me is I'm waking up at 5:15 willingly or unwillingly. Even if I want to take rest for some time, it has become like automatic for me. I wake up by 5:15. So that is a great takeaway. Like definitely waking up in the morning and following the morning routine. So that is awesome.
Nowadays, I am waking up around 3:45. Consciously or unconsciously, I am leaving my bed. So this thing is a good part is happening. What nowadays I am doing, that is that all the work I am doing with a very focused way. So like nowadays, even for the work perspective, whatever the work I am doing, I am not seeing any sort of mistakes. So now I am converting from knowing zone to a doing zone. So this is the things is happening nowadays. And one more thing is that fearless. So nowadays I am fearless of the world. Whatever the things are happening, I'm not bothering about anything. Whatever I feel that okay, this is good. Irrespective of whatever things are there, I am going for that. Even the case of in the office work, you can see that if I feel that this is a good part is there, I will go there and I will propose it to that the person that this is the right way, this is my perspective. Earlier, this thing was not there, but yes, nowadays I am doing it.
So waking up at 5:30 now. Previously, I used to think how I will achieve that. Now I know how to achieve it. I'm yet to go into the automatic zone. I will go. I know that now I have the confidence that I can reach that level because I'm seeing people always on the call, not missed a day. So I feel that I can achieve that. And what automatically becomes the main 3 tasks. Whatever I have written, I'll be focused only on those. And any other task comes, I'll just push it for the next day or this thing. Previously, I used to take up whatever ad hoc comes and I used to put this task aside. And I used to think, I have planned for it. I have not completed it. What I will do now? No, I'm so low at the end of the day. But now, no, I'll be focused. Okay, this task I'll complete. Without that, I'll not go to next task. Yeah, so overall, I can see that it's kind of not so stressful at the end of the day with so many tasks. That's what I say. Everything I can keep it off weekend. If any office work, no office work on weekend. Like that, I can plan and schedule my task and I'll be like, master of my task to start with.
So one thing which I really liked in the course, and that was not my initial expectation, I didn't thought initially, was all those 23 challenges were like either the bottlenecks in our mind, whether physically, mentally, in communication, like going around the house and see small things. Even we didn't realize that those were the bottlenecks. But when we read the challenge, yes, they were.
Okay.
Saying no is like the most powerful. I was sharing with Shekhar also in 5:30 call. Like I followed that and I was really amazed to see not to stuck in that yes and pleasing and all that. So this thing I really liked in all the challenges. And other thing is like these challenges I tried to put in my fun time also.
Few things is complete consciousness is the one which it became automatic. Okay, and whatever I pick up, I want to complete it, and that is the one of the thing. And Pomodoros I keep some Pomodoros I keep for some of the meetings and be focused in the meeting. That is another thing which is consciously coming. So yeah, there is a change and there is improvement in the productivity and improvement in the sleep as well. Reasonably there is improvement in my sleep. Earlier I used to take the pill, but nowadays not even taking the pill. Okay, so that is some improvement.
Some of the key takeaways on this 23-day journey is getting from knowing zone to doing zone. First thing, using shut up and do it mantra to all the activities. Reduce overthinking mainly. Shut up and stay on the current activity, whatever you're doing. That is the only thing which I keep on pampering. Even during meditation, I do that now. 3 days, I took a guilt-free break and made sure that my kid is with me. So the entire family started exercising early in the morning. We just, went to terrace, and the entire family jogged, walked, enjoyed, had fun for 1.5 hours. So that was totally overwhelming. And my kid was she is able to understand me better. My wife is getting along with me. She understands the importance of me getting better and bringing the family together. So all these things are happening slowly but surely. I am getting into the groove.